Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. If you're an architecture or design student and you want to use SketchUp free in 2025, this video is for you. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to get the SketchUp free trial, how to launch the SketchUp Online web version without installation. So make sure you watch till the end to avoid any mistakes. Step 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and search for SketchUp Free Trial Official, or directly go to sketchup.com. Very important, always download SketchUp only from the official Trimble website. Don't trust third-party or cracked versions, they're unsafe. Step 2. Access SketchUp free trial. On the homepage, click on Try SketchUp. Here, you'll see options like SketchUp free trial desktop, 7 days, SketchUp for students, education, free or discounted through schools, SketchUp for web, online version, no download required. Step 3. Create a Trimble ID. To continue, you need to create a free Trimble account. Enter your name, email, and password. Step 4. Use SketchUp Online web version. If you don't want to install, you can use SketchUp for web. Go back to the SketchUp website, click Products, SketchUp for web. Click Start Modeling. It will launch directly in your browser. You can design and save your projects online, no installation required. And that's it, friends. Now you know how to get the SketchUp free trial and also use the SketchUp Online version in 2025. No cracks, no fake downloads, only 100% official and safe methods. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends in architecture and design. See you in the next tutorial.